In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a Google form to another account. Hi everyone. If you've created a form and need someone else to take full control, maybe a colleague is taking over a project or you're switching accounts, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to hand over ownership safely and confidently. First, open your Google form in the editor. Make sure you're looking at the form itself, not just a preview. If you manage multiple Google accounts, double-check that you're signed in to the account that currently owns the form to avoid any permission hiccups. Now, look to the upper right corner of the form. Click the purple Publish or Share button. This opens the Share panel, where you can see who currently has access to the form and what level of permission each person has. In the Share panel, locate the section labeled People with Access. Here, you'll see the list of collaborators and viewers. Find the email address of the person you want to become the new owner. It's important that the correct person already appears in this list. Ownership transfer is only available for people who have access. Next to their email, click the drop-down menu. From the options that appear, choose Transfer Ownership. This tells Google that you're handing over control of the form to that account. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and confirm by clicking Send or Yes, depending on what your screen shows. This is Google's way of making sure you really intend to make this change. That's it. The other account is now the owner of the Google form. From this point forward, they have full control over the form and its settings. They can manage collaborators, change permissions, move the form, or even delete it. You'll typically remain as an editor unless they adjust your access. A few quick notes to keep in mind. Transferring ownership doesn't break the live form link, and existing responses remain intact. If the form is connected to a response destination, the new owner's access will govern how that connection is managed going forward. Because ownership is powerful, take a moment to verify you selected the right person before confirming. It's also a good practice to let the new owner know that the transfer has been completed so they can review settings and notifications on their side. And there you have it. A clean, simple transfer with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your forms organized and in the right hands.